Announced on July 17, 2024, the Canon EOS R1 represents a major advancement in Canon's professional camera lineup. The flagship full-frame mirrorless model, it's engineered for photographers and videographers who demand excellence. Canon's commitment to innovation is clear in the EOS R1, which combines state-of-the-art technology with robust features to redefine standards in image quality, speed, and reliability. Now, let's take a closer look at what sets this camera apart. Central to the EOS R1's performance is its 24.2 megapixel full-frame stacked BSI CMOS sensor, designed for fast data readout and impressive low-light capabilities. Working in tandem with the Degic X processor and the Degic accelerator chip, the camera achieves rapid image processing and supports advanced functions such as high-speed shooting and sophisticated autofocus. This synergy ensures professionals experience both exceptional image quality and responsiveness. Setting the stage for the camera's standout autofocus system, the EOS R1's dual-pixel intelligent AF system features 4,897 cross-type focus points, offering extensive coverage for precise subject tracking and sharp focus. Intelligent algorithms quickly adapt to changes in movement and lighting, making the autofocus system highly effective for sports, wildlife, and event photography. Whether capturing stills or video, users can rely on consistent and accurate focus, which is especially important for fast-paced scenarios. When it comes to action photography, the EOS R1 excels with its continuous shooting capabilities. Photographers can choose between the electronic shutter, which reaches speeds up to 40 frames per second, and the mechanical shutter at 12 frames per second. This flexibility ensures that crucial moments are never missed, while the advanced sensor and processor maintain image quality throughout rapid bursts. These features make the EOS R1 particularly well-suited for dynamic subjects. For videographers, the EOS R1 offers a suite of professional video options. It supports 6K RAW recording at up to 60 frames per second and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth slow-motion effects and high-resolution footage. These capabilities accommodate a wide variety of creative projects, from cinematic productions to fast-moving action sequences, ensuring outstanding clarity and dynamic motion in every shot. Enhancing the shooting experience, the EOS R1 is equipped with a high-resolution electronic viewfinder featuring 9.44 million dots and 100% coverage for accurate composition. The 3.2-inch fully articulated touchscreen LCD adds versatility, allowing photographers to frame shots from challenging angles with ease. These display features support creative workflows and improve usability in diverse environments. The EOS R1's magnesium alloy body is engineered for durability while remaining lightweight for extended use. Built to resist dust, moisture, and temperature changes, the camera is reliable for outdoor shoots and demanding conditions. Professionals can depend on the EOS R1 to deliver consistent performance, even when working in unpredictable environments. Arriving in November 2024, at a price of $6,299 for the body only, the EOS R1 quickly established itself as Canon's premier mirrorless camera. Its advanced technology and professional-grade features make it a top choice for serious photographers and videographers. Widely available through authorized retailers and online platforms, the EOS R1 is accessible to professionals looking to elevate their equipment. Professional photographers have consistently praised the EOS R1 for its ability to produce sharp, vibrant images in challenging lighting conditions. The autofocus system stands out for its speed and accuracy, while the magnesium alloy construction offers reliability during intensive shoots. These strengths have made the EOS R1 a favorite among photojournalists, sports photographers, and wildlife specialists who require dependable performance and durability. To sum up, the Canon EOS R1 is a flagship mirrorless camera built for professionals seeking advanced technology, rapid autofocus, high-speed shooting, and robust video capabilities. Its durable design and intuitive controls ensure reliable performance, making it a valuable investment for creators who demand the best in modern imaging.